Welcome to Perform and Transform on YouTube. I'm Coach Patrick, your #1 weight loss personal trainer in Vancouver. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications because we got workout videos every single day to help you lose weight permanently. Today, we're gonna be doing a 20-minute core workout. This is gonna be a quick, intense one. Transformers, let's go. We're gonna be going 3 sets of sit-ups, leg raises, and plank rotations. First exercise, sit-ups, you're gonna keep the heels down. You're gonna sit all the way up, and then we're gonna come all the way down. Ready position, and let's get started. We got 40 seconds. Good, as you come up, you're gonna breathe out. As you come down, you're gonna breathe in. As soon as that lower back touches the floor, we're gonna sit all the way back up. Try not to rest at the bottom. Squeeze that core. Nice work, you guys. We got 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work, guys. Our next exercise, we're gonna be doing some leg raises. You're gonna keep your lower back nice and flat. Your legs are gonna be straight right here. We're gonna come down and we're gonna come up, squeezing your lower abs. Let's get ready. We're gonna get started here in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Legs straight, and let's go down and up. As you lift those legs down, you're gonna breathe in. As you lift the legs up, you're gonna breathe out. Again, keeping both shoulders down. Keep the core tight the whole time. No resting at the top. As soon as you come down, come straight back up. Okay, feel that core working. Ten seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. We're gonna flip over for some plank rotations. You're gonna be in a plank position right here, hands underneath the shoulders, feet together. I'm gonna rotate hip and shoulder. I'm gonna look straight up to the ceiling, and I'm gonna alternate sides, rotating at the core. Ready? And let's go. We got 40 seconds. Rotate with the left, rotate with the right. Reach up to the ceiling. As you reach, you're gonna breathe out. Good. Try to feel that core working. Hips and shoulder at the same time. Nice work, you guys. Pretend like someone's sitting on your back. Keep that core tight. Reach, breathe out. Less than 10 seconds. 2, 1, and time. All right, that was our first set. We're gonna repeat the same 3 exercises for our second and third set. We're going back into the sit-ups. Let's flip over. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's start it up. Back to the sit-ups. Good. Come down, breathe in. Come up, squeeze the core, and breathe out. Nice work, guys. We got 20 seconds. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good. You're gonna reach up to the ceiling, stretch those legs, arch your back, get a little stretch in the core. We got leg raises coming up. And let's get ready. Legs are gonna be straight, back flat. We're gonna lift those legs up and down. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Leg raises, 40 seconds. As you lift the legs up, breathe out. And then keep that tension in your core the whole time. Good, keep those knees straight. Lower back should be nice and flat against the mat. If you feel like your back is arching, it means your legs are going too low. So simply just go halfway down right here and then come all the way back up. Nice work, you guys. Tighter squeeze in the core, we're almost there. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work, guys. Relax the core. Take a deep breath in. Deep breath out. We're gonna flip over into our next exercise, which is our plank rotations. Keep the shoulders nice and strong. We're gonna rotate, reach to the ceiling, and we're gonna alternate sides. In 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Rotate, reach up to the ceiling, and alternate sides. As you rotate, you're gonna look straight up to the ceiling, and breathe out. Nice work, guys. Stay nice and stable through the core. Bum is gonna be down, head is gonna be back. Strong through the shoulders. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Sink into a quick hip flexor stretch, and then we're going back into the sit-ups. All right, flip back over. We got our last set of sit-ups. Let's go a little bit quicker. Make it count. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Sit all the way up. Squeeze and back down. Good work. As you sit up, you're gonna breathe out. As soon as you come down, you're gonna come straight back up. Feel that core working. Feel the core burning. Try to keep those heels down as you're sitting up. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. All right, reach. Get a little stretch in the core. We've got leg raises coming up. Let's get ready. Legs are gonna be straight. Back is flat. Let's make this one count. In 3, 2, 1, 40 seconds. Let's go. Leg raises. Good. Lift those legs up nice and high. Keep that core tight coming down. Continue to breathe. Feel those lower abs working. You guys are doing great. Halfway there already. All right, 10 seconds. Squeeze. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. All right, plank rotations. Flip back over. After the plank rotations, you get a little break coming up, so let's work hard during this last exercise here. Ready? Starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that plank, and let's reach. And rotate. Reach. And rotate. Good, continue to breathe. Rotate, shoulders and hip together. Keep that bum down. Keep that core engaged. Don't just move the body, I want you to actively engage the muscles. Engage the core. Good work, guys. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Nice work. Grab some water, take a little break. I'll see you in our second circuit. Hey guys, I want to take 30 seconds and introduce you to one of the partners of my YouTube channel, and that is fellow YouTuber at Harmony Vashon. If you're looking to learn more about what it's like to live in Vancouver or live on the West Coast, an unbiased behind the scenes view, then definitely check out her channel at Harmony Vashon. She makes really cool videos on what it's like to live in Vancouver in the West Coast, and she's an amazing content producer and designer of Vancouver. So check out her YouTube channel at Harmony Vashon. All right, welcome back guys. We're gonna start it out with some sit-up presses. In 3, 2, 1, you're gonna grab a weight and you're gonna press the weight to the ceiling. The first set was a warm-up. Now we're getting serious. Let's make the sit-ups a little harder with the weight. Push the weight straight to the ceiling and come back down. Keep that chest up the whole time. Keep the arms straight here the whole time. Nice work. And 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. We're gonna drop the weights. Our next exercise, lower abs. We're gonna do some flutter kicks. Legs are gonna be straight, and then we're gonna kick right here. Again, keeping the back nice and flat. Ready, position. 4, 3, 2, 1, flutter kicks. Give me some big kicks, give me some speed. Pretend like you're gonna kick a soccer ball up in the air, give me some power. Make every single second count, make every single kick count. Every time you kick up, I want you to breathe out. Keep it going. Halfway there, 20 seconds. Last 10 seconds, let's go a little quicker. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. We're gonna flip over. Next exercise, we're gonna be doing some plank shoulder taps. Plank position right here. I'm gonna tap my left shoulder, and I'm gonna tap my right shoulder. Keep the hips down, keep the bum tucked in the whole time. Ready, position. We got 40 seconds, 2, 1, and let's go. Tap the left shoulder, tap the right shoulder. Keep those hips locked in. Keep the back nice and flat. Every time you tap, you're gonna breathe out. Breathe out. Okay, keep the hands underneath the shoulders. Keep the hips tucked in. Doing great, guys. Just about there, 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and good work, guys. We're gonna sink into a little cobra stretch. Reach up to the ceiling. And we're gonna flip back over. We got our sit-up presses coming up. Grab a dumbbell for this one. In 2, 1, and let's go. Press that weight straight to the ceiling and back down. We're going a total of 40 seconds. Feel that core working. As soon as you come down, straight back up. Keep that chest up the whole time. Keep those arms straight the whole time. As you sit up tall, you're gonna breathe out. 10 more seconds. Nice work. 4, 3, give me 1 more, 2, 1, and time. Drop the weights. Reach up, legs straight, get a little stretch. We got flutter kicks coming up. Let's get ready. Give me some big kicks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flutter kicks and let's go. Kick and kick. Yeah, keep breathing. Keep the head back. Keep the shoulders back. We're halfway there, 20 seconds. Keep engaging the core. 10 seconds, quick. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. All right, we're gonna flip over. We got our plank shoulder taps. Ready here, starting in 5, 4, legs nice and wide, 2, 1, let's go. Tap the left shoulder, tap the right shoulder. Keep those hips locked in. Keep the bum down, keep the head back. Suck in that core. Good work, you guys. Almost there. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work. Again, sink into a little cobra stretch. We got our last set of the day. All right, we're gonna flip back over. Grab your weight, we got our sit-up presses. Let's make this one count. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. 40 seconds. Up and back down. As you sit up tall, you're gonna breathe out. Push the weights to the ceiling. Keep that chest high the whole time. Yeah, as soon as you come down, you guys know what to do. Straight back up, no resting at the bottom. Keep the arms straight. Breathe out. Almost there, 10 more seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work, guys. We got 2 more exercises. We're gonna get ready for flutter kicks. In 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let's start it up. Let's kick. Give me some big kicks, guys. As you kick, breathe out. This is our second last exercise. Let's make it count. Give me some big kicks, give me some speed. Keep those legs straight. Keep that core tight. Keep breathing. Halfway there already, 20 seconds. You guys are doing great. Want to go even quicker, the last 10 seconds. Give me everything you got. Ready? And let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Nice work. We got our last exercise. We're gonna flip over. Plank shoulder taps. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Last 40 seconds of the workout. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Touch the left shoulder, touch the right shoulder. Keep those legs nice and wide. Keep the bum tucked in. Keep the core tight. Shoulders nice and strong. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and time. Good work, guys. Thanks for watching Perform and Transform on YouTube. If you're looking to lose a minimum of 15 to 30 pounds permanently, then head on over to our website, performandtransform.ca, and sign up for a free 7-day personal training trial with me, and I'll see you in the next workout.